Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix USB port not working in Windows 11, Windows 10 or any other Windows PC or laptop. I give the multiple ways to fix this problem and I hope one of these ways is work for you. Before go to this video, if you not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our first method. Our first method is very basic. Go to the start. Here type device manager. Here type device manager. Click on the device manager. In a device manager, we find many options. Go to the last options. Here we find universal serial bus controllers. Expand this. Here we find many USB. Go to the any USB that has a problem. Here is the my USB. Right click on it and click on the properties. Click on the properties. Here we find main option is power management. Go to the power management. Here we find it is check allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. To save power, sometimes your PC or laptops not given power to your USB. That is the problem. Basically 99% this is the problem on 99% laptop or PC. For saving power, your PC or laptop not giving power to your USB. That is the problem. Uncheck it. Click on OK. Click on close it and restart your machine and your problem is solved. Our second method is also very simple and basics. Go to the start. Go to the start. Here I type device manager once again. Type device manager. Click on the device manager. In a device manager, you find many options. Scroll down and once again go to the universal serial bus controllers and select your USB port that has a problem. Select your USB port. Sometimes I have problem with this or any port. Then go to here. Right click on your USB port that has a problem. And here we find uninstall device. Click on the uninstall device. Click on uninstall. After uninstall process is complete, restart your machine. Restart your machine. After machine is restart, it's automatically install your USB drive and your problem is solved. This is our second method. Our third method is very simple and basics. I go to the third method. Our third method is unplug the charger from your laptop. Unplug the charger, then restart your laptop, and after that connect your USB to laptop again now, and then after connect your charger, and this also solve your problem on your PC or laptop. And our third method is also very easy and simple. Switch off your PC, switch off or shut down your PC. And if you're using the laptop, then remove your battery. And if you're using PC, desktop PC or the PC or laptop, then power off your cable, power off, switch on, switch off, and totally remove your cable from your PC for the 60 seconds. After 60 seconds or the 1 or 2 minutes, attach your battery to your laptop and attach your power cable and then switch on your PC or laptop. Switch on your PC or laptop and after that hold your power button for 40 to 60 seconds and it's restart your PC and restart your PC, and after that your PC or USB problem is solved. Sometimes some power is in your USB, that's why it's you a problem. Then you can switch off our PC and it solve our problem. So guys, this is the multiple ways to fix this simple problem on our PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.